Привет, hello, and bonjour, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are reviewing, unboxing the April Glossybox 2021. Now, I haven't seen very many sneak peeks for this box. I know it's something to do with spring, because that's the general theme, hence the baby blue makeup. Hopefully it is in tune with what is in this box. I don't really have much to say. Let's just dive in. All right. Woke up in spring, that's the theme. So I wasn't too far off with the makeup. It's a bit more purple green. Loving the colors. So obviously this is the booklet with all the information inside. Oh, ooh, there must be something fragile in here because we got an air bubble. Haven't seen that before. Oh no. Oh man. Okay, no, it's not that bad, but I have already gotten 2 of these products before, and that is such a bummer. Let's just keep going. This is what this month's box looks like. So of course, 5 items. The subscription itself is €15.50, I believe. I'll take out with the 1 item that I've gotten twice in the past. It is a great item, don't get me wrong, but it's just kind of like, come on. Really? And I don't think it was even from Glossybox, which is why it's kind of like, okay, it's a little frustrating, but also like, do you guys all just recycle the same items? Because I've kind of noticed over the last couple months, all of the subscription boxes I have in France, they started basically giving me the same things, which is why I cut down. Blah, blah, blah. This is the first item. So here we have the Eyeko travel size mini eyeliner in Black Magic. Honestly, this item is actually super great. I obviously have a spare and now another spare, so I might gift this to somebody. It's worth €12, so it's not just a mini, it's the full like proper travel size mini. I mean, yeah, I can't complain. It's a really great item. I'm just super bummed that this is my 3rd one in like the last 3 or 4 months, legit. So, but good item. So yeah. Next, I'll take out one. Goodness me. I got this it was Birchbox for sure, and it was last fall, summer. This is the Bloomy full-size lip gloss. It's like a lip balm gloss. Softening pink gloss. I can't speak. Softening lip gloss. That's the word. And it's in the shade Pink Ladies again, which is the one I have. Where is the one I have? I don't know why, but that one, let me see. Here's my one. I'm really trying very much to just use up my product, which I know won't happen for like 20 years because I have so much. But this is one that I've kept like in my pocket, at my table, and especially if I'm at home, if I'm not wearing makeup, it doesn't matter if the color matches. I just slop it on to, that sounds terrible, to use it up, to soften my lips. I don't feel, I've actually used this very much. I don't feel necessarily that it's particularly long-lasting softening gloss. Yes, when I put it on, it feels nice. It's a bit of like a water gel texture, adds a bit of color. Does it particularly soften my lips that much? I haven't felt it does, but it is really lovely, and I got another full size. So this one, again, will be a gift for me. I just don't want or need another one, especially in the same color. So that's a real bummer. This is €14.90. Overall, I do like the brand though. So yeah. Next, let's take out the boring item, we'll call it, of the box. So we got a cream. This is a full-size antioxidant eye contour cream by the brand Feel Free, and it's worth €5.30, which is a really decent price. Hyaluronic acid, coffee, lemon, and apple. That sounds amazing. I love an eye cream. Any given day in my morning and night routine, I usually put on at least 2. That sounds crazy. I don't know. I smile a lot, and so I just don't want all those smile lines. Well, I mean, they're gonna be nice when I'm older, but let's push that back as much as we can. It just smells like nature. Is that a thing to say? Yeah, super fresh, super lovely, really nice size. I love the ingredients inside. Did I mention the price? Yes, I did, because it was affordable, €5.30. So I'm actually quite happy with that. My only problem is now that I have like 5 eye creams pending, and eye creams last forever, so I'm hoping to be able to use them all up before they expire, but blah. Next item. The last 2, so we did get a sneak peek for these ones, so I'm not particularly surprised, but I am very excited. These are the 2 products where I'm just like, cool, that's nice and different. So I'll take out this one because the packaging is so cute. This is by Sophia and Mabelle, or Mabelle. I really need to learn how to pronounce it because I'm not sure which pronunciation they use. And we get an eyeshadow quad, and this is the Aphrodite palette. So of course this is full size and worth €27.70. I have gotten, let me reach into my drawer. This was in the Christmas advent calendar, and this is the satin powder blush in Mimosa Please. I freaking love this. Like, I've hit pan, very much so. And they've actually featured me on their Instagram page because I was posting looks with this, which is super nice. So if they ever see this video, thank you so much. It's very kind. But I really, really do like their products. My concern is, if I'm not mistaken, oh no, one of the shadows is broken. I mean, it's not broken, but it's, I don't know how to, the glue moved. Does that make sense? It's kind of come out. I could kind of glue it back in. I don't want to break it. So a little cheap packaging. Oh man, this is becoming a disaster. So it's a quad. It's a cute quad, but these colors are very simple and I have a lot like them. So this for me will be something that I will gift to someone. I mean, maybe I can just push it and glue it back in. Oh, there. Okay, I was able to fix it. It's okay. We don't need to contact anyone. But cute as it is, first of all, quite small pan sizes, and for €27.70. Here's the thing, like with indie brands and things like that, I get it. You need to have a markup. You need to make your money. Overall, it's very cute packaging, but it just feels like kids makeup a little bit. You know what I mean? In any case, very, very cute. I don't personally see the cost of €27.70 being justified by this palette whatsoever. But this one, I will just believe in it and give it as a gift because there's no point in me swatching this and then probably never using it again because I have, like I said, 3,000 palettes. But a very, very cute item. And last, and hopefully not least, and hopefully one I can use, although the color is throwing me off, this is a full-size Elikya Beauty, and we have a rose illuminator, a liquid highlighter. Full size, €14.90. I've never heard of this brand. That is very, very pink. I'm concerned about this for my skin tone, just because I have a very pink undertone. So if I put more pink, especially pink like this, on my skin, it might not look very good. Let's just sploosh it, that way I don't really touch the bottle in case I want to gift it. That's so pink. Does it? Oh my god, that's so much. That's like a serum. How are you? You're not allowed to take a drop of this to put on your face. You have to take like a smidge of a drop. Like this is one drop. My whole hand is pink. I don't think I can put this on my face. I don't think I can put this on my face. Like, I like it, so I'm reading it has essential oil from hibiscus. I mean, yeah, it's very, very spreadable, and it has, honestly, it feels more like a blush, like illuminating blush serum. For that, I could see it, but again, I'm thinking I might have to gift this one. I just don't see it on me. I'm too pink. It's gonna be looking like I was in the sun for a little bit. Can you imagine? Imagine that on my face? That's called sunburn. Yeah. Oh, what a bummer. Very pigmented though, but what a bummer. Ooh, let's go into my final thoughts. All right. What do I think about this box? Let me title this review for you, disappointment.com. It's everything that went wrong together. You know what I mean? Two products I've already received very recently, which isn't their fault, but it's like, you know, the whole point of the box is you're expecting to try new and fun things, and half of this isn't new or fun. It's not. So, I don't know what to say there. The value is, if I calculated correctly in my head, just above €80, which is great, but like, I really don't think this palette is worth almost €30. That's nuts. It was kind of broken when I got it. Pan sizes are small, the packaging's a bit flimsy. Surprisingly, and if you watch my videos, you know I'm all about the makeup in the boxes. That's all I want to get, with the occasional skincare. And surprisingly, I think my favorite this month is the eye cream, which is kind of sad for me, because I'm always such a makeup nut. We get 4 makeup items, and I prefer the eye cream. This one, beautiful packaging, beautiful color, really just not for me. Super pigmented. I'll maybe try and work with it, but I might just have to gift that one too. But basically everything that I don't want to gift in this box is just this eye cream, which I could also gift, but I'll keep it. Do you know what I mean? It's such a bummer to me. It's a bummer. Eyeliner is awesome. The brand is awesome. The lip balm is actually super nice. You get a full eyeshadow palette, an illuminator for your face. It's the full package. In that sense, it's a great box, but my luck has just run short for this month. I either have everything or have something similar, or it is not for me. So very, very personally, this box is a huge flop for me this month. Probably one of the more disappointing ones I've gotten for Glossybox, despite really great products. Non-personally, it's a really great box, if that makes sense. So yeah, hopefully next month is better. But hey, I got lots of lovely gifts to share with my friends. Friends that I don't have because I moved to a new country before confinement. Yeah. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hopefully it was fun and entertaining for you. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you on this journey with me. Other than that, you can catch me on social media at Slavic Chic, and I will hopefully catch you guys in the next video. Bye!